Good morning, students. I hope you are preparing well for your upcoming exams and please start attempting mock tests. Give mock tests as much as possible and most importantly, do not forget to analyze them. Analyze your sectional scoring and performance. Work out on your weak subjects and topics by analyzing the mock tests. It will really help you to improve. Fine? So now let's begin with our lecture for today. So in today's lecture, we will be covering yet another topic asked in your exams, that is vocabulary. We will also be covering other topics related to it, that is synonyms, antonyms and one word substitution. So let's start. So basically, all bank recruitment exams including SBI PO, SBI Clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS Clerk and so on include both direct and indirect tests of English vocabulary. In general, English vocabulary based questions are increasing over time. So basically, vocabulary plays a crucial role in the English section. If a candidate does not have good command over vocabulary, then he will face difficulty in solving not only direct vocabulary based questions, but also fill in the blanks, closed test, RCs and other topics as well. Hence, in order to prepare for a variety of bank recruitment exams, we must push ourselves to learn more quickly and read from a variety of sources in order to enhance your vocabulary. The best way to become better is to practice and use it in day-to-day communication or wherever applicable. Fine. Now next, let us discuss what are synonyms and antonyms. A synonym is a word that has the same meaning as another word or nearly the same meaning. For example, synonyms of the word brave are courageous, bold, daring, fearless, gallant, lion-hearted, valorous and so on. A word that has exact opposite or contrary meaning of another word is its antonym. For example, good and bad, fast and slow, big and small and so on. Now moving on, here are some quick and easy ways to build or improve your vocabulary. So first one is read voraciously. Make a daily habit of reading newspaper. I would personally suggest you to read The Hindu. This newspaper is a gem for those who want to improve their vocabulary section. Give special attention to the editorial section. It will definitely improve your vocabulary as you will come across various new words. Another thing you can do is to read blogs, articles, novels and a variety of other sources to become more familiar with new words. Develop a daily reading routine that fits into your schedule. Also use a dictionary while reading. It is quite natural that you would come across some new words you'd not be aware of while reading. That's where a dictionary comes in handy. Fine. Now next is maintain a notebook. Jot down the words along with their meanings in a notebook and revise them regularly. This will help you memorize words easily. Fine. Now next, set a daily goal of learning a certain number of words. Set a target of learning at least 5 new words every day. Try learning through root words. This will not only help you in maintaining your daily study schedule, but will also enhance your focus on your preparation and boost your vocabulary power in just a few days. Fine. Now next is practice previous year's question papers and mock tests. Several times the meaning of a given word is unknown, but the context of the statement justifies the meaning. It is critical to comprehend the meaning of the term in that statement. Candidates can improve their vocabulary by effectively practicing any mock test or previous year's bank exam question paper for PO exams and other exams also. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now moving on, here are some books that I would like to recommend that will help you enriching and building your vocabulary. Fine. So first one is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. I strongly recommend you to study this book. This book stands out for its systematic approach to vocabulary building, breaking down complex words into easy digestible components. What sets this book apart is its focus on root words, prefixes and suffixes which form the building blocks of countless words in the English language. Fine. Now, next one is Oxford Learner's Pocket Word Skills by Redman Stewart. This book is easy to read and covers over 3,500 words, expressions and phrases along with the context of use. Fine? I hope it's clear. Fine. Now moving on, let's solve some questions. As usual, I will give you some time to solve them, then later on we will discuss. So let's begin. Here's the instructions given for questions 1 to 8. Let me first read them out. In the following questions, a word or phrase is given followed by 4 alternatives marked from A to D. Select the alternative that conveys the same meaning as the word or phrase given. Fine? Understood? So here's the first question. Start solving. So, is it done? Let's discuss. So, the word given is acrimonious. It means full of anger, bitterness, involving a lot of arguments and disagreements. You can also say rancorous. So, clearly option A, that is full of bitterness, is the correct answer. Fine. So, let me write down the meaning of acrimonious. Full of anger, bitterness, comma, involving a lot of arguments and disagreements. Fine. So, clearly option A, that is full of bitterness, is the correct answer. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now, moving on, solve the next one. So, is it done? Let's check. So, the word given is abdicate. It means to resign, renounce or relinquish a throne, right, power, claim, responsibility or the like. Fine. Let me write down its meaning. To resign, renounce or relinquish a throne, right, power, claim, responsibility, etc. So, clearly option D, that is to give up royal power or the like, is the most suitable meaning of the given word. Hence, option D is our answer. Fine. Now, moving on, here's the next question. Solve it. So, is it done? Let's tally. So, the word given is benevolent. It means someone who is kind, helpful and generous, someone who is charitable. Hence, clearly option B, that is kind and helpful, charitable, is the right answer choice. Fine, I hope it's clear. Now moving forward, solve the next one. So is it done? Let's discuss. So the word is condole. It means to express sympathy with a person who is suffering misfortune or is in sorrow, grief or pain. Fine. Hence clearly option C, that is to express sympathy with another in sorrow, pain or misfortune, is the right answer choice. Cool. Now moving on, here's the next question. Solve it. So is it done? Let's check. So the word given is deluge. It means a severe flood, basically an overflowing of the land due to heavy downpour. Hence clearly option D is the right answer choice. That is a great flood or downpour. Fine. Now moving forward, solve the next one. So is it done? Let's tally. So the given word is fastidious, meaning someone who is excessively particular, careful or detailed, or you can say hard to please. Hence clearly option A, that is difficult to please, wanting everything to be perfect, is the most suitable answer choice. Fine, I hope it's clear. Now moving on, here's the next question. Solve it. So is it done? Let's discuss. So the word given is insurmountable, meaning incapable of being defeated or overcome or impossible to deal with. Hence clearly option A, that is incapable of being overcome, is the correct answer. Fine. Now solve the next one. So is it done? Let's check. So the correct answer is option D. Gregarious means someone who is outgoing, sociable, fond of company of others, basically an extrovert. Hence clearly option D, that is extroverted, outgoing and sociable, is the correct answer choice. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now moving on to our next type of question. Here you need to select the correct synonym of the given word. Cool? So here's the first question. Start solving. So is it done? Let's discuss. So the word given is affable, meaning someone who is friendly, good-natured, easy to talk to, cordial or amiable. Hence clearly option D, that is amiable, is the correct synonym of the given word? Fine. Let me write down its meaning. Someone who is friendly, good-natured, easy to talk to, cordial, amiable. Fine. So, hence option D is our answer. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now, moving on, solve the next one. So, is it done? Let's tally. So, the word given is scintillating, meaning sparkling or shining brightly. Hence, clearly option C, that is sparkling, is the correct synonym of the given word. Fine. Now, moving forward, here's the next question. Solve it. So, is it done? Let's check. So, disparity means inequality or a difference that is unfair. Difference as in rank, amount, etc. Hence, clearly option A, that is inequality or discrepancy, is the correct answer choice. Fine. Now, moving on, solve the next one. So, is it done? Let's discuss. Profound means intense, deep, having deep insight or understanding. Hence, clearly option D, that is deep, is the correct answer choice. Let me write down its meaning. Intense, deep, having deep insight or understanding. Fine. I hope it's clear. So, that's it for today. We will continue further in the next lecture. Thank you.